ChatGPT can sound insightful, creative, even surprisingly human. But it does not know things the way people do. So how does it produce answers that feel so fluent, and why does it sometimes get them confidently wrong? We will trace the full path. Training on massive text, learning patterns, turning words into tokens, predicting the next token, adding instruction tuning and safety layers, and finally using your prompt to build a response one step at a time. First, ChatGPT is trained on huge amounts of text. It reads books, articles, code, and other writing, not to memorize every sentence, but to absorb statistical patterns about how language tends to work. That is the foundation underneath everything else. Before the model can work, your text gets broken into tokens, pieces of words, or punctuation. The model does not see meaning in the human sense first. It sees a sequence of symbols and learns how those symbols usually follow one another. At the core, ChatGPT is predicting the next token again and again. Given the tokens so far, it estimates which continuation is most likely, then repeats that step many times. That is how one prompt becomes a full paragraph, sentence by sentence. Your prompt matters because the model uses the conversation context to shape its next prediction. It looks at what you asked, what was said before, and the style implied by the exchange. The same model can answer differently when the context changes. Raw language prediction is not enough, so the model is further tuned to follow instructions and be more helpful. Human feedback helps shape which answers sound useful, safe, and polite. This alignment is why it often behaves more like an assistant than a text generator. Even with alignment, ChatGPT can still make mistakes, invent details, or miss context. Safety systems and policy layers try to reduce harmful outputs, but they do not make it perfect. The result is a powerful tool with clear limits. When you see a reply appear, it is being built token by token in real time, guided by learned patterns, your context, and the alignment layers around it. That is why it can feel fluent without truly understanding the way a person does. So the short version is this. ChatGPT learns patterns from text, turns your input into tokens, predicts what comes next, and is shaped by tuning and safety layers. It is impressive because it models language well, not because it thinks like a person.